headed to Tiana's all by myself. It feels weird.
One tiny problem though, we still need to put together a band to play tonight. If you want to help me find musicians, meet me on the river. Thanks, y'all.
Quarter to 3. Smells like beignets. Hopefully Rowie is not wet.
It doesn't look wet.
Aww, that's so cute.
Hey, y'all. Thanks for helping me book the musicians for our party tonight. Louis, they're on their way.
Blow a horn and jam. Hello? Tell the people Mama told you so.
They can play. No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need.
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
I hope they all come to the party to play. But let's explore. But you found the sound. That was great.
Bigger the splash, you'll make it the party.
A little deeper.
Soon you say it's time I get you back to side. But invite your friends to tag along too. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. Hang on now.
That was so much fun.
Just like me, wasting anyone's time. Darling, what's inside?
Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you. Bye. What a band!
Tiana's is amazing. I feel like it's a must do. In row 8, I did not get wet. What row were you in?
Second.
Did you get wet?
A little bit.
I didn't get it all.
You were in second.
It's been a long day.
I saw the picture.
So the boat would stay safe.
Landon, I took a whole video of the ride for you so you can see it.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.